volcanoes can act funny when the weather changes. Happy countdown! In spring, flowers make pollen and it floats in the air. Wind spreads pollen everywhere, even to your nose. Then it goes from cold to warm. Our bodies pollen more. Even inside, the scent mold can make us sneeze. Achoo! And that's amazing. Don't forget, follow for more